All right, so yeah, right now what I'm working on is getting the rear fenders final sanded. I've got a few small pinholes that I've been filling in them, and then we'll get them sanded out in 400 grit dry, and then I'll switch to 600 grit wet and get them all final sanded, and we'll get those painted. And then also we're working on building the hood latches for the hood and side panels right now. We didn't really have much but pictures to go on, so we kind of scaled them and based them off from the pictures that we found, and they actually attach to the inside of the hood sides and then latch up over the top of the hood. That's what these holes are in here. So it'll actually go in just like this, and there'll be a spring on the bottom of them, and they latch the hood side down. So that's what we're working on right now, and that's about it. Trying to finish up bodywork on the front of the car. Got the doors and primer and door gaps all set there. So it's coming along.